Now let's jump back to our design and see where our next icons are. So there are a couple of elements in this slideshow here that look like they could be considered icons because they're a single color with exact shapes. So these right and left controllers here look like they could be just a font element with a drop shadow. We can zoom in order to see how that works. Now it seems a little unconventional because this is kind of large, but if we uploaded this to Fontastic, we could use this as an icon. Now we'll hold off on this element in particular and also the slide navigation down here until we get to the section where we actually implement our slideshow. We'll be using a third-party library for that called FlexSlider, and the solutions that we use for the forward and back, and also the pager down here, will be a bit dependent on the way that it structures its HTML by default. Okay, so we'll skip those, and if we scroll down, our next one would be this forward and back here, but again, this is just an indicator that this is a slideshow of some kind, and the solution that we use for the forward and back will have to be contingent on how FlexSlider structures its HTML. Let's scroll down. The replacements here for the radios could potentially be font icons, but we're going to wait till we get to the part where we actually format this form before we figure out what solution we'll use there.